Do you want to add text to your videos and photos like this, or even this? I can show you how. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place.
If you find this video helpful, subscribe.
Adding text to your photos and videos is very easy. Let's get started. Open the Inshot app and tap the photo icon. Tap a photo to select it and load it into the app. Once the photo loads, swipe over and tap the T to add some text. If you tap the little clock icon above the check mark, you'll see a list of everything you've typed into the app previously. If the text that you want to add is in this list, you just have to tap it to select it. It will be placed on top of the photo. The text I want to add to this photo is not in this list. Tap the X to close the history dialog and begin typing the text that you want. Don't worry about the format. That can be changed later. Keep watching this video and I'll give you a pro tip for entering text quickly and accurately. When you're done typing the text, you may need to edit it. You can place the cursor anywhere within the text to add the space needed. It may be easier to retype the text. To change the font, tap the A icon. Here's a list of all the available fonts. Notice the font will change as you select one. I like permanent marker, so that's the one I'm going to use. Once you've selected a font, tap the check mark if you're done editing the text. I don't like the green color, so I'm going to change it. Tap on the text, tap the pencil, and tap Edit. Then tap the color wheel. Choose a more appropriate color from the color palette. In this case, pink. That's more appropriate for this Valentine's Day photo. If you can't find the color you're looking for, swipe to the left. Tap the check mark once you're done editing the text. To move and reposition the text, tap the text and drag the box into the position where you want it. You can pinch and zoom to resize the text and make it fit onto the photo. To save the photo, tap the share icon. The photo can now be found inside your photos library. Here's the text I added. Let's take a look at how to add text to a video. Tap the video icon and select a video. When the video loads, swipe over and tap the T to add some text. If you don't like to type, you can use voice dictation. Tap the microphone on your keyboard and speak the text that you want to add. You can say new line to put the text on a new line. When you're done, tap done. Make the text fit on the screen. Then tap the A to choose the font that you want to use. Tap the color wheel to change the appearance of the text. You have all of the same options you had when adding text to a photo, as well as one additional one I'll mention later. You can pinch and zoom to resize the text. Tap the check mark. Because this is a video, you need to adjust the duration of the text. That is, how long the text will appear on screen. Tap the arrow at the beginning of the green bar and choose Clip Beginning or Video Beginning. You can go to the end and do the same thing. This will make sure that the text stays on screen for the length of the entire video clip. You can also manually adjust the duration of text by long pressing on either arrow and moving it to the position that you want. You can do it either at the beginning of the clip or the end. When you've got the duration set, play the video to see how the text looks. The text should appear on screen after the start point and disappear after the end point, unless you use an animation. To save this video, tap the share icon and tap Save. Processing will begin. When processing is complete, you'll find the video in your videos library. To learn more about animating text, tap or click the YouTube card on screen now.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Be sure to include the operating system you're using, as some features are not available in the Android version of Inshot. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Please feel free to check out some of my other videos suggested on screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.